Hi guys, in this pretty tutorial I will tell you now how you can create your Fiverr gigs using ChatGPT very easily. Like I will show the example, like I am a website designer, I want gig on construction website development. So you can create many gigs, like you are graphic designer, digital marketer, SEO expert. Now you can see I will write here that generate Fiverr gig title. Create construction websites. Now you can see guys, it generated a SEO app to optimize construction website design and development title. Now I will ask him to generate description for this. I'm sorry guys, this is little bit slow chat GPT because of traffic. So guys, you can see he is writing the description for my Fiverr gig. By this way you can now easily create your Fiverr gigs very fast. Also you can generate short package description, requirements description. As you can see, you can copy this text and paste on your Fiverr description and Fiverr title. So guys, use this app and now create your gigs very easily. As you can see, line by line he is writing a very good description for me, as you can see. Okay guys, thank you. Subscribe my channel for more videos.